Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Indah Lestari Fajrin from 7th semester English Education Department of STKIP Muhammadiyah Bogor. Before I explain this video, I will say thank you for Mr. Rudy Haryono SS MPD as the lecturer of the subject Pragmatica. Okay, the next I will explain about Christian maxim and duration to humor and joke. Christian maxim theory, the philosopher Paul Gris proposed for conversational maxim that arise from the pragmatic of natural language. The Christian maxims are a way to explain the link between utterances and what is understood from them. The maxims are based on his cooperative principle, which states make your conversational contribution such as is required at the stage at which it occurs by the accepted purpose or direction of the talk exchange in which you are engaged, and is so called because listeners and speakers must speak cooperatively and mutually accept one another to be understood in a particular way. The principle describes how effective communication in conversation is accepted in common social situations and is further broken down into the four maxims of quality, quantity, relevance, and manner. The next, the category theory of Christian maxim. The first floating maxim of quantity happens when the speaker gives information more or less than it is needed. The second floating maxim of quality happens when the speaker says something that is false and lack of evidence. And the third floating maxim of relevance happens when a speaker says something or gives a response which is irrelevant to the topic being discussed. And the last floating maxim of manner happens when the speaker is not being the brief or not the point. Using vague language and being ambiguous, the floats created implicator which make the hearer seek for additional meanings being implied through the utterance. And the next, humor. Stand-up comedy is a comedy show which definitely relates and must be contained of humor. That is why the research includes humor theory in his research. It is because of the word comedy itself means humor's part of a situation. According to Cambridge Dictionary, humor is a quality that makes something fun. It has the ability to make people laugh because of its emotion. Oxford Advanced Learning English Dictionary, 6th edition, p. 863. Humor is any kind of things which are intentionally made to trigger longer. Audrey, 1998. It's something that attracts people interest with funny words and or body language. To arouse laughter, humor mostly occurs in daily conversation. The next, joke technique. The first paralunge is a type of verbal humor including body language and intonation. The second satire is a subject category of ridicule which used to make fun of people whom the speaker thinks is superior. And the last, power, solidarity, and politeness strategies can create humor material. Stand-up comedy. Stand-up comedy is a comedy style which is performed on stage by comedians who tell jokes directly to the audience. Yamazaki, 2010. There are some difference of opinion about when was the establishment of stand-up comedy in the world began. Jim Medrans, a comedian, said in the story of comedy, the first stand-up, that the term stand-up comedy has been introduced since 1916, while comedian Lenny Bruce said stand-up comedy has existed since 1915. Originally, stand-up comedy in American was done on theater. Back in American, there was a tour called the Mr. Show, which was considered as begin of the eruption of stand-up comedy worldwide, was held by Thomas Dermott.
Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.